At the Buffalo Museum of Science and Tifft Nature Preserve, we've missed nothing more than inviting school buses full of smiling faces into our doors. We realize this school year will continue to be different than years past, and we are ready to bring engaging STEM experiences to your students with the BMS and Tifft in the manner that works best for your school. We're offering the same great educational experiences at BMS and Tifft while keeping your group's safety paramount. Join the list of school, preschool, camp, and daycare groups that explore our museum offerings every year. Our state-of-the-art science studios foster hands-on and inquiry-based learning, supporting your STEM curriculum. There's something for everyone. Want to enhance your students' experiences? Try a museum tour or a hands-on workshop. Enrich your field trip with special themed activities with our team of facilitators. We can also customize tours or workshops to suit your needs. Can't make it to the museum? We can visit you. Our experienced facilitators will bring a unique educational experience right to your school, library, or community center through hands-on classroom programs, large-scale assembly programs, or exciting science fun festivals. We can also customize our outreach programs.
What are you finding, Bud?
Dinosaur bones. Oh!
Bring the wonder and excitement of the Buffalo Museum of Science to your classroom virtually. Our new virtual field trips include pre-recorded content from the exhibit halls of the museum and the trails at Tifft, followed by live, virtually facilitated activities. There are no buses or permission slips needed. If you don't see the topics you're looking for, please contact us to discuss your needs. If you'd like to book your museum program online, complete our online reservation request form and our group sales coordinator will contact you. Just a 5-minute drive from downtown Buffalo and situated on the outer harbor, Tifft Nature Preserve offers 264 acres of restored habitat with 5 miles of trails and boardwalks. Choose a discovery visit for an unstructured, self-guided tour and discover Tifft Nature Preserve at your own pace. You and your group will be amazed by the abundant flora and fauna that you'll discover. Or explore the outdoors with a knowledgeable facilitator on a guided tour. These tours support learning standards and enhance science curricula for all grade levels through inquiry-based outdoor learning experiences. College student and adult tours are also available. With new virtual programs, our knowledgeable facilitators will meet your students on your preferred virtual meeting platform to bring the outdoors and STEM into your classroom. We offer both pre-recorded and live content covering topics suited for all grade levels. These lessons may be customized to fit your group's needs. Enhance your Tifft experience with a hands-on workshop. In-depth science activities give students hands-on experiences for both indoors and outdoors. Workshops include interactive activities as well as a guided tour of the preserve. Workshop content is adjusted to suit different grade levels. Can't come to Tifft? Not to worry. Nature isn't just at nature preserves, it's all around us. Our hands-on programs will bring items from the Buffalo Museum of Science and Tifft Nature Preserve's education collection to your school for a learning experience like no other. Choose from a variety of topics to support your desired curriculum. Select programs can be facilitated indoors or outdoors in your schoolyard. We know you want the most out of your STEM experience, which is why the Buffalo Museum of Science and Tifft Nature Preserve aim to support New York State learning standards with all of our school programming. For more information and to view the full range of programs offered, please download our Educator's Guide.